dental implant really is a replica or replacement of a tooth root. Made of titanium, we place it into the bone, we wait for the bone to heal around the implant, after which time we can place a crown on top. Hey presto, you've got a new tooth. The benefits of implants: they restore function, they can restore aesthetics depending on where it is. A byproduct of having implants as well is that it maintains bone level, so you don't get the remodelling of the bone through time. It keeps the bone where it should be, and by doing that it also can affect the facial profile.
I've been pretty rubbish with my dental care, I think, over the years, and had a few problems, and there were some issues that couldn't really be resolved in any other way. Tom talked me through it really carefully. I understood everything he was telling me, decided it was the way forward. It can replace one tooth, it can replace several teeth. We can also use implants to stabilise dentures. They start to become loose. A quick way of sort of stabilising these is to use a few implants and provide a patient with a more stable chewing function.
I've had dentures for a number of years. I found it very restricting. The number of times I've been out for a meal and I've had to surreptitiously try and take out my denture to get a piece of food out and then sort of put them back in again while still sitting at the table. I was completely fed up with having dentures. I spoke to the technician who used to deal with my dentures, and he referred me on to Tom here.
When we finish treatment on patients who've had implants, it gives me quite a buzz really, because we've restored them back to function. It's really nice to see that.
When the treatment was finished, it was just like having a tooth that had been there forever. It's just like an ordinary tooth. I honestly couldn't tell you now which one my implants are.
First thing I did was I went out with the family for a meal, and I had corn on the cob that night, which I hadn't had for years.
The actual treatment itself is much more straightforward than I thought it would be, and then afterwards you've got a perfectly ordinary tooth as if you've had it forever.
It's changed my life. I'm confident now. I can eat anything I want to now. It's just changed my life completely.